Welcome back to Studio E. Learn English here, anytime, anywhere. Today, we are going to move forward learning key sounds of the letters of the alphabet. The letters for today's lesson are M, N, and O. Let's get started with the letter M. M is a consonant, and the letter M sounds like The lips are together, and you make a sound that is similar to what you make when you think something tastes really good. Delicious. Map, map. Milk, milk. Moose, moose. The monkey and the moose made money marketing milkshakes. The monkey and the moose made money marketing milkshakes. Let's move on to the letter N. N is a consonant. N is very similar to the letter M, but with N, the lips do not come together. The tongue is at the roof of your mouth. And the lips are open. Nickel, nickel. Nail, nail. Note, note. Ned napped from nighttime until noon. Ned napped from nighttime until noon. N. Let's move on to the letter O. O is a vowel. And like all vowels, there are two key sounds. There's a long sound and a short sound. The long sound of the letter O is O. It's the same sound as the name of the letter, O. Also notice, O, my mouth makes the shape of an O. It looks like an O. Open, open. Vote, vote. Stove, stove. It's the long O sound in words that end with a silent E. For example, hope, rope, and cope. Lois wrote notes as Mr. Jones spoke about drones. Lois wrote notes as Mr. Jones spoke about drones. The short sound of the letter O is ah. Ah. The mouth comes open, ah, and the sound comes from the back of your throat. Ah. Octagon, octagon. Hop, hop. Mop, mop. Mom and Pop got socks and a box of chocolate. Mom and Pop got socks and a box of chocolate. And that is all for today's lesson. We learned the key sounds for the letters M, N, and O. Next time, we'll learn the sounds for the letters P, Q, and R. So come on back. In the meantime, take care of yourself and have a wonderful day.